Are you looking on ways on how you can make money with Excel without any skills, even if you are just a complete beginner? You are in the right place, and keep watching this video because I'm going to be showing you some ways to make money with Excel, even if you are just a complete beginner, and even some websites that you can go and learn Excel and you become an expert and start making much money online. So keep watching. Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Carine Tech Media, and on this channel I always teach people how to make money online, grow their YouTube channel, improve their video qualities. So if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell button, enable the notification button if you'd like to know how to grow your YouTube channel, improve your video quality, anything about YouTube, all those stuff. And I'm also on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So on those platforms, I am Carine Tech Media. So you go and type in Carine Tech Media, start following me, liking my videos. Hope you enjoy them very well. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money with Excel without even any skill about Excel, because there are some websites where you can go and become an expert in Excel. So even if you have some few skills about Excel, you can start making money nowadays. So people are making a lot of money with Excel, and that's why I have decided today to show you some 3 ways to make money with Excel today. So I'm going to be showing you where to go and become an expert in Excel, and also show you some websites like that can help you to get money with Excel, like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com. So those websites, you either go there as a freelancer or you go there as clients if you want to buy like some Excel stuffs. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you mainly on how to become a freelancer on those websites with Excel, because some people are there looking for people to hire and they make for them Excel stuffs like spreadsheets, dashboards, charts, everything, reports, anything that you can offer with Excel. People are there looking for someone to make for them these stuffs, and if you know how to make them, it's a big opportunity for you to start making money with Excel. So I'm going to number 1, which is to become a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. So those are the main websites that I'm going to be taking you on becoming a freelancer, and you start selling those services and you sell them to those platforms. So I'm going to be showing you how those websites work, how you can find your fellow members who are selling Excel stuff, and you see how they present their goods, how they present their services, and you also start making money like that. And they are gaining a lot of money. So I'm going to be diving in Fiverr, showing you how people are making a lot of money, how they are doing it, show you people who are offering for jobs, and you apply for those jobs because it's a big opportunity for you. And that's why I have decided today to show you on those websites, because they pay highly amount. I'm going to first go to Fiverr, show you, and then go to Upwork later. So let's dive with Fiverr first. And jumping right away to Fiverr.com, you can see that there are many people offering these services of Excel, and they are making these dashboards, graphs templates, and they're gaining over $20, $195, $20, $30, and they offer all these services about Excel. They explain about their goods, and then clients buy their goods. They are gaining, also that one is gaining $35, $250 for just making graphs and even reports, dashboards, and many people there are making dashboards. That's what I'm seeing there. But all the work in Excel, you can sell it on Fiverr and start making money. So going to upwork.com, you search for jobs, you just type in Excel, and then you search for jobs. You just read whatever those clients are explaining for their products to be. So after reading through, you go and see if you can apply for that job and start doing it. That one is offering $600 for Excel spreadsheet to turn it into a printable PDF. And that one wants to make an Excel dashboard, an Excel spreadsheet, over $20 to $50, $60, $55 over this spreadsheet. So they are very easy. All the work that you can do in Excel, you can go here on Upwork and apply for these jobs and start making free money here. So as you can see, people are gaining a lot of money with this Excel on Fiverr and Upwork, and they're making a lot of money. And people are looking for those particular designers. I can call them designers even though you are making from Excel. So people are looking for those designers who can make for them these spreadsheets, charts, everything like that, and they're paying them a huge amount of money. So you make sure to make high quality of them. So that's why at the end of this video I want to show you some of the websites that you can go and be an expert in Excel. So I'm going to go there and find Excel tutorial courses which are going to be teaching you on how to become an expert with Excel, teaching you about tips, tricks, and hacks to use in Excel, and you start making high quality of these services that you are offering to Fiverr and Upwork. And many people are looking for those high quality of them because they want to present them to companies, they want to use them in their businesses. For example, you have seen these reports. Some small business are still using these papers, but now if you introduce them to using Excel and they start hiring you to make for them these Excel reports, it will be a wonderful thing, and I know you are going to get a lot of money. So making those high quality of these spreadsheets, reports, charts, anything about Excel, you are going to start making a lot of money, because on those platforms, on Fiverr and Upwork, you have competitors there who are competing also to get more clients. So if you need to get more clients on those platforms, you need to make high quality of those services. So I'm going to the second way to make money on Excel, which is to sell templates. And by making those templates, people are gaining a lot of money. And I'm going to be showing you on this website called Etsy. And this Etsy, it's known for many people selling templates and also handmade things, because some people are selling their crafts and many things, but also it's known for selling templates. So that's why you can go and purchase your templates and go and sell your templates. So that platform, it allows anybody to sell his or her templates according to what he or she does. I'm going to be showing you on Etsy some of the templates that people are selling and gaining a lot of money, and you also see if you can do. Going to Etsy.com, and this is the best website where to sell your templates all over the world, because supports all templates, all kind of templates, all kind of products that you can sell here. They are all acceptable and you can sell them. You price them to your own prices. For example, you can see that one is earning over $18, $95, $80. So it depends on what you're selling there. So you can see that they're selling spreadsheets, monthly budget, templates, dashboards, the graphs, everything in Excel that you can do. You can sell it on Etsy.com because it supports all kinds of templates. I hope that you have seen that many people are making a lot of money, and these Excel stuff like spreadsheets, like reports, like menus, these are very easy to make in Excel. Even if you are not an expert, you can still make them and export them as a template and you sell them to this Etsy. We are going to the third way to make money with Excel, and which is to make online video courses. So these video courses are these video tutorials which you are making to teach also those people who want to become an expert in Excel, who want to be more confident with their Excel skills, and they also start making money on those platforms. So I'm going to be showing you where you can go and you post those videos, tutorials about Excel, how to use Excel, everything about Excel. If you are an expert now, you have learned how to use Excel, you can do high quality of these Excel services, you can still go there and teach other people and generate money through it. And that website I've chosen for you is YouTube. This YouTube where you are watching this video from. So you can still make money with YouTube by creating a YouTube channel, posting your video courses, those course tutorials, and people are watching many videos on YouTube on how to use Excel. So you can go there and create a YouTube channel, make some settings, and on this channel I made some videos about how to create a YouTube channel, other settings that you want to know. You are going to find the links in the description of this video, which are going to be directing you on how to create a YouTube channel, on how to make some settings on it. I'm going to be showing you also some other YouTube channels that have grown bigger and they're on a high level by making these Excel tutorials, and some people are looking for those Excel tutorials. Let me dive with YouTube. So on YouTube, there are also some YouTubers who are experts in Excel and they would like to teach people on YouTube how to use Excel, some tricks in Excel, also by gaining money in teaching them, in making those video tutorials. So you can also go ahead and make those video tutorials for people. You get views, subscribers, and you also get paid by YouTube. So many people are getting rich and making money by making these video tutorials. So go ahead and make them also. So making these video courses, many people there are looking on how to improve their skills in Excel. You can go there and post those videos and teach them how, and they are going to like your videos, subscribe, and then view your videos too. If they are of the high quality, if you have made them very well, so you start making money like that. So hope you have seen that these 3 ways, they can help you to get a lot of money in it, no matter, even if you're just a beginner, no matter where you are worldwide, you can start making money on these platforms. So the last thing that I've promised you is show you how you can improve your skills on these websites that I'm going to show you. So these websites like Udemy and YouTube, you can start learning how to improve your skills in Excel. So you go to that website called Udemy. I'm going to be diving in it and showing you how it works. So let me first show you right away to my laptop and show you how it works, how you can get those video tutorials for free and start learning on how to use Excel, and you become confident about your Excel skills. So let me dive in first. So this udemy.com, it's where you can learn all that you want to know about Excel, because there are these online video courses that there are some people who are there to teach you in those courses, and they are for free. There are some that you have to pay for, but there are those ones for free, which you can learn from them and become an expert in Excel and start making money when you know all that in Excel, when you know them very well. So these video tutorials help you to master the Excel, how to use it, anything that you want to do in Excel. This udemy.com helps you to do so, because these video tutorials teach you a lot. So YouTube, it's also one of the websites which you can use to master Excel and to learn anything from Excel, like formulas, Excel for beginners. If you are a complete beginner, YouTube can also help you to master Excel and you become an expert and start making money also. So you can see these are video tutorials that other people also post there, those experts post there to help these beginners who are starting from scratch in Excel, to help them understand how to use Excel. So you can also go there and learn from these video tutorials, because they are helpful, they can help you, and they are for free. You can see that on Udemy you can make a lot of money if you study these Excel skills very well, and these people, they are not charging you a lot of money. Maybe if that video they have put some money on it that you have to pay before watching it, but also there's some free videos that they don't price at all that you can watch and become an expert in it. But there is also YouTube. As I've told you, you can go there, any kind of video you search for, you can get it about how to use Excel, and you start making a lot of money on those websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com. You can start making money on them if you have learned how to become an expert on Excel and start making money, making for those clients, spreadsheets, everything about Excel. So you can start making money with that. And hope you have enjoyed this video. That was all for today. Hope you have chosen among the 3 ways on which way you can take and start making money, either as a teenager, either as a beginner if you're starting on Excel. So if you have just started Excel, a few things about it, you can go and become an expert and start making money on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and on YouTube also. I insist you, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please give me a subscribe. Please, I need your support. Support me by giving me a subscribe, like, share, and also enable the notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I upload my videos about making money online in different ways, like growing your YouTube channel, improving your video quality. So all those videos, I upload them to this channel. Please subscribe so that you can get all those videos and become the first person to watch them. And thanks for giving me your time. Hope to meet you in the next video.